A tiny workshop houses a fragile red wheelbase forged from a full-scale 3D printed chassis designed to endure extreme stresses, yet weigh significantly less. Engineers optimize lattice structures to absorb impacts while maintaining rigidity, pushing the limits of what a car frame can endure. Tests reveal dramatic reductions in weight and faster deployment of safety features during crashes, signaling a new era for peak performance. The team validates every joint with laser scans and crash simulations to ensure it can outpace conventional builds in real race conditions. This transformative approach redefines speed by blending design freedom with rigorous safety.